Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to revise lesson 2, Rise and Spread of Islam. In the first video we discussed about rise and spread of Christianity and the life of Jesus, crucifixion, etc. And here we are going to study about the spread of Islam, Prophet Muhammad, Hijrah, etc. In the introduction part we can see the emergence of Islam. Islam arose in the Arabian Peninsula, and this place or this area, it was a vast desert, and it was between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. And the people, those who lived in this area, they were tribes. They were warring tribes of nomadic people, and they led a very hard life. And the specialty of the people, those who lived in this area, that is, they were superstitious as well as they believed in many god and goddesses, and they give importance for idol worship. What is the specialty of the people, those who lived in this area? They were warring tribes, and they led very hard life, and they were superstitious, and they believed in many god and goddesses. They worshipped idols. They give more importance for idol worship. That is the specialty of the people, those who lived in this area, Arabia. And Arab tribes, they were united under a new religion in the 7th century. In the 7th century, the Arab tribes, they made a new religion that is called Islam. And next paragraph we can see that the advent of Islam. About Prophet Muhammad we can study in this paragraph. He is the founder of Islam. The founder of Islam, Prophet Muhammad, he was born in Mecca around 570. He was an orphan. He brought up by an uncle, and he was impressed by two religions, Christian and Jewish religion. What is the reason for it? Because they give more importance for, or they believed in one God only. That is why Muhammad or Prophet Muhammad, he was impressed by this religion. Once again, I will repeat this same paragraph. Prophet Muhammad, he was the founder of Islam, and he was born in Mecca around 570. He was an orphan. He was brought up by an uncle, and he was impressed by two religions, that is Christian and Jewish religion. Why? Because he was impressed because they believed in one God. Okay. And next paragraph we can see that the importance of Quran, and what is Quran, and what is monotheism, and what is polytheism. Belief in one God, it's called monotheism. Belief in many gods, that is called polytheism. Prophet Muhammad, he gave more importance, or he believed in monotheism only. Okay, and in the age of 40, Muhammad, he started receiving divine messages from God through angel Gabriel. At the age of 40, Prophet Muhammad, he started to receive messages from God through angel Gabriel, and these messages compiled, made together, and we can call it Quran. It is the holy book of Islam. I told you, in the age of 40, Muhammad, he started to receive messages from God through angel Gabriel, and these messages compiled and made a book, and this book is called Quran. It is the holy book of Islam. And soon after receiving the first message, Muhammad, he started to preach. He teach people about monotheism, and anyway, he was against of polytheism and idol worship. He gave more importance, or he teach about monotheism. He was against of polytheism and idol worship. Okay, and I told you the people, those who lived in Arabia, they give more importance for idol worship, and they believed in many god and goddesses. So Prophet Muhammad, he teach about one God. So he was forced to leave Mecca, as some of his teachings went against the established faith of the Arabs. So he took refuge in a town called Yathrib, later known as Medina. He went to Medina. He was forced to leave Mecca, and he went to Medina. It is called, this travel, this journey, it is called hijrah. Okay children, so once again I will tell you what is hijrah. The people, those who lived in Arabia, they believed in many god and goddesses. They give importance of idol worship, but Prophet Muhammad, he was against of idol worship and he teach about monotheism only. So the people, they were who support polytheism and idol worship, they were against of Prophet Muhammad, and Muhammad, he was forced to leave Mecca and he went to Medina. It is called hijrah. Okay children, all of you please listen or please learn up to here, read up to here, and you should make one word question yourself, because in the half yearly exam I'll include inside question also, so it is better to prepare yourself. You can find out many one word question answers from this page, and you prepare yourself and study well for your half yearly exam. Okay.